For 20 long years, I lived in the shadow of addiction. Drugs controlled my life, my decisions, and my future. I lost my health, my dignity, my family's trust, and my place in society. Every day felt like darkness, and every night felt like hopelessness. I never believed I could escape that life. But 9 years ago, everything changed. I entered treatment, fought for my recovery, and made the hardest decision of my life: to leave drugs forever. The journey was painful and difficult, but it saved my life. Step by step, I rebuilt myself, my mind, and my faith in the future. After recovery, a new door opened for me. With the support of the Afghan Youth Services Organization, AYSO, and UNDP, we received cash assistance that helped us start a small shop and rebuild our livelihood with dignity. This support did not only give us income, it gave us purpose, confidence, and hope. Today, our business is growing, our lives are stable, and our future is brighter than ever before. I am deeply grateful to AYSO and UNDP for believing in people like me when the world had given up. Most of all, I am proud of myself. Proud that I left addiction behind, chose recovery, and built a new life based on work, dignity, responsibility, and hope.